Hello everyone, it is Andrea and today I'm coming at you with this week's new releases. We also have Destash box, which I'm very excited about. She is like heavy 4 or 5 pound girl, but we'll talk about her at the end. Let's go ahead and go through this week's new releases. We have 3 kits, one of them being a pop mystery and a bunch of other things. So let's go ahead and hop right on in. First things first is we do have a new doodle pack of the week. This one is in moss. Super pretty green color. It is from this kit here. I just really fell in love with the green in the set, so it matches perfectly, but will match a lot of kits perfectly. This will be on special pricing from Wednesday at noon Eastern through Sunday. The next thing that I'm going to show you, same thing, special pricing Wednesday through Sunday, is the 2 new foil bundles. Well, one's new and one's actually a restock, but in the updated version. So this one here is Pixie Dust, and this is just sparkly hollow. So it's going to go with literally so much. This Pixie Dust format is epic, and it will go with so many things, whether it's fantasy or just kind of like any everyday kit. So you have the 2 pages with the full boxes and header overlays, your 2 pages of the bougie boxes, the icons and script page, along with this page here, which does have your whole reinforcers, your fancy headers, your deco, your date numbers, and your 15mm bottom washi. This is going to be one that I definitely need to bring home more from work because it is going to go with so many different spreads. So that is the first one. And then the second one is a restocked color. I think we called it Hunter Green, possibly. It is a beautiful dark green color, and this will go really great, I think, with the Pop Mystery this week, along with tons of other kits coming in this Halloween, fall, winter season. Love this in the confetti version 2 with the updated whole reinforcers. Super stinking perfect. Again, this is a color that I think we brought out within the first 10 of confetti version 2, and then it sold out pretty quickly. So perfect for fall. I just wanted to give a quick little reminder that the June mystery a la carte items will only be up for a little bit longer. So if you wanted to pick up any of these, definitely do so with this week's order. The next order of business I have is some new full box, kind of like layering items, I guess. I'm just calling them solid full boxes. Last week we did come out with the paint splatter, and this week I have 3 different patterns. These are like kind of basic patterns, but are specific to these kits as far as the tone and the patterns. So first thing here we do have is Wood 1, which is a wood pattern. And we have Sand 1, which is a sand pattern, and Grass 1, which is a grass pattern. I will show you what kits they match perfectly, but they will match a bunch of other kits as well, especially the sand and the wood and the grass. They'll match a lot. Just trust, they will match a ton. So let's go ahead into the kits this week. The first kit we have here is Dockside Days, which is such a pretty kit. I love the colors. I don't do lake houses or anything like that, but I think even if you just took this out, it could just be like a summer vibes set. Do you know what I mean? It's not it's obviously the aesthetic, but I feel like this is the lake house. If you take that out, it just kind of looks like summer vibes. I love the pickleball and the inside of the house, the picnic basket, the Stanley, the outfit's super cute with the fan, of course, the hair clip, the little like a pool floaty or a lake floaty in this case. You have a puppy, and then you do have the life jacket along with a swimsuit and the little oar. I think it's really cute. Super simple patterns, but I think it works really well with how kind of just chill this set is. And again, this is where this grass pattern comes from. I think it is so stinking pretty. And yeah, so that's what that matches. And then the freebie and the ultimate and mini is another fashion box. So those are the 2 fashion boxes in the kit. And again, that is Dockside Days. I just love the muted colors. I love the green and the blue together. They're just really pretty shades. So that is the ultimate kit. And then you have the mini kit. And then let me show you the add-on options. You have Doodle, and then you have Doodle 2. You have fashion as well as label, and then ombre and pattern boxes, as well, of course, as all 6 of the scribblers. Which actually, the scribbler just reminds me of how fun the Pop Mystery is. You wait, you're gonna scream. I think at least I was screaming when I saw the art. So next kit here we do have is Australia, and this is so cute. I don't know if I'll ever make it over to Australia, so I'm do I just use this in the summer? What do I do with it? I don't know, but it's just so cute. It turned out just honestly beyond perfect. I love the animals. I love the food box, the ocean, the kangaroo. It's just so cute. The boomerang. I just think it turned out adorable, and I love these colors. It reminds me of like OG planner stuff for some reason. You have your extra box here, which is a fashion box, and then the F1 racing box. And overall, this set is just a vibe. Such a cute box. Again, this is where the sand comes in. But again, this sand will match a ton. Oopsies, I actually grabbed one of those. Okay. But yeah, sand, that's where that comes from. And then we have the mini kit, of course. Oh, Freebie and Ultimate Mini are these fashion boxes. So in the kit, where's the other box? I think it's here. You have these 3 fashion options. It was very like mix and match fashion week for me. So cute. I love these colors. As far as foil goes, I think this one would look really, really pretty with rose gold. Or like any of the mattes, or like even just rose. This one here I think would be really pretty with hollow or silver, or like a matte, one of the matte colors, like, or even just rose would be pretty with that as well. Mini kit, and then let me show you the add-on options. So we do have the doodle, we have doodle 2, we have fashion, we have label, as well as label 2, which it looks very similar to this color, but this is like a peach and that's like a pink. You can see it better there. So that's label 2. And then you have ombre pattern, and then you do also have your scribblers. So super cute. Let me know if there's something that I could use it for. Like, give me inspiration. But otherwise, I think I'm just gonna use it as like a basic summer kit. But then I'm also like, maybe I'll go to Australia one day and I will want a kit to use. But also, it'll probably be so far in the future. And I don't mind double using kits. It's just so pretty. So that is Australia. And then we're going to go into the Pop Mystery. Actually, yeah. Let's actually do the Destash box first, just in case you're curious to that, but don't want to see the Pop Mystery. So let's go ahead and hop into the Destash box, and I'll tell you the, like, I guess the equation for this as far as like what you can expect in it. It won't be exactly the same. Like, kits could be different and things like that, but this is just an example of a box. So in here, there are 3 6-pack washi bundles. There is a bow, a full box overlay washi tape, some vinyls and things. There is 2 mini kits. There are some sticky notes, some pins, 2 older foil bundles, a scripts, like a misfit, or probably not a misfit, probably overstocked misfit. Overstock bag, vinyls, some munchkins that are cute and SPC related. Looks like a ultimate mystery kit with the foil. Some foil grab bags. This one looks like a core, and this one looks like a fun foil. Feels like a 20-piece grab bag. Just a little like mystery kit pack. A little print impression notebook. Some old TN stuff. This is like OG. A passport cover, 2 albums, and it looks like down here we have some more things. And just to be transparent, I only have 25 of these, just so you know. So they will probably go quickly. Anytime we do Destash, it does. And then down here, it looks like we have a bunch of TN kit stuff. So it looks like there is a vellum. There is this TN kit, which is the Accio Pink. The, I think this was the 7-year collection TN kit. And then this one is like fall papers and acetate pack. So that is everything in the Destash box. Like I said, it will vary slightly. This is kind of like the formula. There might be something that like is switched out. There might be a different kit, different foil type situation. You know, you guys get the general idea. But I will have these up Wednesday at noon Eastern as well. They are sealed, so you have to order them separately. And there can be no coupon codes used on them. And all that will also be in the listing. So that is going to be the Destash boxes. They're heavy, so international, it will be expensive because I think they are like 4 or 5 pounds in a medium flat rate box. So just keep that in mind. But yeah, that is the Destash boxes. And I'll put those live Wednesday at noon Eastern as well, like I said. And then let's get into the Pop Mystery. So this one here, I'm going to do a little slide by. It's so good. It's so you ready? I am so obsessed with this. Y'all knew it was coming, or maybe you didn't. I don't know. But we have a Wicked kit, and y'all, I'm obsessed. I am obsessed with how this kit turned out. It is fantastic, beautiful, perfect, everything. It is based on the movie, and I am just a Wicked fanatic, and I just am so excited to use this set. As far as foil goes, like I said, I feel like the green would be really fun with it. I feel like also like any type of gold, or even like gold and silver mix. I feel like gold just kind of gives more of the vibes. These wood patterns are, is it? No. Yeah, it's the wood patterns. Are from this set? Question mark. Oh yeah, it's on the floor. It's on the 15 millimeter. But again, I just wanted to bring these also because they match like a ton of stuff. But anyways, yeah, these are the full boxes. I'm obsessed. Exclusive art. You won't find it anywhere else. And like, it's perfect. It's perfect. It's everything. It was a lot of character heavy. I didn't really have any elements to work on. So we do just have some like random deco that has the patterns on it. You have 2 scenes here. What I'm probably going to do is like, I will like have this ready and then I'll order custom quotes, I think, to go over these once I see the movie and see like what is said. I did do the patterns. I think they're cute. I didn't end up doing pattern boxes though, because I thought that they were just a little bit too basic of patterns to have like full-blown pattern boxes for them. But if it's something you guys really want, just let me know and I'll toss them up. I really loved this floral pattern. So you have the floral pattern in the bottom washi along with the wood, and then the like yellow brick road as the date covers, and then 2, because you do also have then these in the kit, as well as this is a pattern, and technically the other ones are patterns, but I thought it lended well to all of the quotes that I'm probably going to use. Plus I'm going to want to use all of these beautiful, gorgeous character boxes. So I hope you love the way it turned out. I also really like the colors, like the green, the nude, and then the pink and the red. So it will be coming in an ultimate kit as well as a mini, of course, and then add-on options. You do have Doodle 2, as well as the label. And then these are 2 colors. I really went back and forth on what kind of colorway I wanted to go with for the kit, but I ultimately decided on this. But I feel like these 2 colors you could switch in and out. Like this is another colorway. I was thinking about doing this, but I really just liked what the nude kind of did here. But this is another option I think would be really, really cute, as well as this. Or if you wanted to kind of just focus more on the greens and the like neutral colors, you could do this as well. So this is number 2, and number 3. You have ombre, and then something I'm really, really excited about, because I don't know like really what I was thinking, but I was like, okay. I was like doing all of the extras and stuff, and I'm like, wait, let's just do this a fun way. And these are going to be the 2 Scribbler options available. This is Scribbler G and Scribbler E. So this one here, it looks kind of like Glinda, and all of the colors are like pinks and grays, or like it's like a grayish blue color, because that's what she's wearing. And here's like a grayish blue color. But I just thought that was like a really cute idea and would look really fun in the spread. And then this one here with the green skin tone is Elphaba. And Elphaba is wearing all like grays and blacks, which I thought was a really, really cute way to do this. And it'll look really fun throughout. And it's just so cute. Also, if you just wanted like these for other spreads, they'd be adorable as well. But really happy with the way those turned out. And I think this set is just going to be so fun laid out. And I love Wicked. It is one... Well, it's my favorite of all of the Broadway shows that I've ever been to. I have seen it like, I think 6 or 7 or 8 times at this point, and it is just a part of my world at this point. So hope you love it. That will be available, like I said, from Wednesday through Sunday. So don't forget to get your hands on that, as well as save a little on those foil bundles, as well as the new Doodle collection. I always do also have some kind of flash sale up where it is something on a little bit of a discount. I think 2 weeks ago it was one of the vinyls. There's been a variety of different things on sale. I remember, I'm trying to think of what I put on sale last week. I think I forgot to put it in the new release section, if I'm being honest with you, which is just really honestly not surprising to me, because my brain isn't always there. So that is everything for this week. Also, don't forget to sign up for mystery. Don't forget to get your hands on the a la carte mystery bits and bobs. Also, don't forget the Destash boxes. Those will be live Wednesday at noon Eastern, and there is only 25 of them. And only that can be ordered in the order, no coupons or anything like that. So it's just Destash box and then nothing else in there, because they already sealed and ready to go. We're just going to pop the label on those. But I think that's everything, and I will talk to y'all in my next video.